Hi everyone! Simula at wakas, World Tour Kickoff Day 2. Tickets.
Few more hours to go for SB19 Day 2 of Philippine Arena concert ticket selling. Ready na ba kayo 18? Ilang oras na lang at may puksaan na namang mangyayari. Yes, ngayong araw na nga, April 15, magsisimula ang ticket selling para sa Day 2 ng Philippine Arena concert ng P-Pop King SB19. 9 a.m., the global fan packages will be up for sale. You can read the full details at SB19's official social media accounts. 12 noon naman ang general online ticket selling. Now, kung may mga unsold tickets sa April 15, these will be sold on April 16 sa ticketing outlets that will start at 12 noon. Pero para makasigurado at makakuha ng desired seats, mag-online na agad-agad at huwag maghintay ng outlet selling the next day at baka matulad sa day 1 na naubos agad. Now, para sa mga hindi marunong at hindi kabisado ang pagbili online, please ask for assistance sa inyong mga kapamilya, kaibigan at kakilala, but always be careful lalo na sa financial transactions.
Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it!